Okay, Assalamualaikum to Prof. Suzana. My name Muhammad Liman Hakim bin Muhammad Azlan. Okay, my metric number A23A2355. So, I want to talk about conclusion of MK Halal Logistics. Okay, conclusion of the MK Halal modernization project. So, everyone, today we are presenting the final blueprint of the MK Halal modernization project. This initiative is more than just a logistical update. It is about engineering a blueprint of trust. Our mission has been to transform global logistics into a certified technology-driven competitive advantage. By the end of this presentation, you will see how we have successfully turned Sharia compliance into a primary structural asset for the global market. Okay, next part, the leadership team. Okay, the leadership team. This transformation was made possible by our dedicated leadership team is overseeing a critical pillar of the blueprint. Okay, so Amani Sofia is our president. President leads the overall executive strategy and ecosystem element. So Muhammad Zarif Irfan, Vice President of Operation, manage the physical supply chain and MS2400 integration. And Amalin Azlin, Vice President of Blockchain, is the architect behind our traceability and AI verification systems. And Muhammad Umain Hakim, Vice President of Marketing, focus on global market positioning and premium capture to ensure our international grounds. Finally, Kama Ali, Vice President of Finance, drives capital efficiency and ESG value creation. Together, this team has built a system where data is immutable and trust is absolute. Okay, that's all. Okay, next part, moving from basic compliance to comprehensive integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, the era of treating halal as a simple checkbox is over. To truly modernize, we must shift our focus from basic regulatory compliance to comprehensive halal integrity management. Our vision inspired by the MK Halal model ensure that cargo is not merely moved by strictly protected from contamination. Throughout its entire journey, we are moving towards a farm-to-fork framework where the halal status is granted at every single touch point, ensure that the integrity of the product remains uncompromised from origin to the final consumer. Strategy governance, the MS 2400-3.2019, we achieve this level of integrity though strategy governance by implementing the MS 2400-3.2019 standards. We are doing more than meeting a requirement, we are creating strategic value. This standard allows us to transition from mere compliance to gaining a global competitive edge in the halal retailing and pharmaceutical sectors. It serves as our operational roadmaps, providing the specialist guidelines needed to navigate the complex risks inherent in global supply chains. Okay, now we continue to my part. So my name Muhammad Luman Hakim bin Muhammad Azlan and my metric number A23A2355. So Technological framework integration guarantees farm-to-fork traceability. Our promise of integrity is backed by a robust technological engine. We integrate blockchain and artificial intelligence-based systems to provide immutable, halal food and pharmaceutical traceability. This technological framework acts as the ultimate guarantor of our farm-to-fork promise, allowing for real-time monitoring and data-driven analysis to balance operational operational efficiency, efficiency with strict Sharia compliance. Technology ensure that our supply chain is not only transparent but also optimized for long-term sustainability. That's all. Okay, next part. Performance driven by knowledge and organizational capability. High supply chain performance in this specialist field does not happen by accident. It is the result of a powerful synergy between halal logistic operation, organizational capabilities, and knowledge management by treating Sharia knowledge as a core asset. We put the internal capabilities required to execute best practice integrity management. Our performance is driven by the human element, the experts who understand that knowledge management is the key to maintaining a high performance compliance supply chain. Okay, next part. The future outlook scaling the ecosystem. Looking ahead, we are focused on scaling this ecosystem. Those specialist infrastructure, the future of our industry, lies in the development of halal-friendly ports and halal supply chain industrial park conceptual models. This hub will act as a centralized high-tech nexus for global trade, allowing us to expand our reach while maintaining the highest levels of integrity. By scaling these halal-friendly environments, we are building a global network that supports sustainable practice and religious requirements simultaneously. Okay, lastly, logistics as a certified trust-based service. In conclusion, we are redefining what it means to be a logistics provider. We are no longer just a utility. We are a certified trust-based service. By combining strategic governance, advanced technology, and high organizational capability, we offer a service where trust is the primary currency. Together, we are building a future where global trade is defined by transparency, integrity, and faith. Uh, let's lead the way in modernizing the halal journey. And thank you. That's all.